Alrighty then. Good evening and welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. I'm Trevor B, coming to you live via the power of your internet and my internet. We just sold out our eBay break. It is currently 1:15 Sunday morning. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there who's mom. Make sure you wish your mom a happy Mother's Day today. Give her a phone call. And if you take them out to dinner, it's Mother's Day. Be nice. So, here's a list of names that we got. And who got what. So you can kind of see. And when we go over to our other page, we'll be able to see, it'll be scrolling on the bottom, as I say. So right here we have the boxes. So we have box 8, 7, 6, 4, and 3. So 3, 4, 7, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to roll the random generator, true random generator, 1 to 8. And then whatever box we get, we pull. And it's box 7. All right, box 7. So that leaves these other ones for the website. So box 7, here we go. So let's move it over to the screen, to the main break. And there you go on the bottom. And I'm going to take this down here. And that'll be blanked over there on the side to this, on this box break, because we got the things ran through. So yeah, crazy. All right, good luck everyone. This is 4 packs. Yeah, there we go. And no, you can't have the box, because my wife collects them. Everybody's like, what? Yeah, she likes these boxes. She likes to use them for little trinkets and stuff. So there's the 4 cards. There's the empty box. So put that over there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, my hand says go to the right. So oh, my hands. Ooh. See? I almost forgot. It's late. Yeah, shoot. But I always get it when I look at the cards. I'm like, all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, gotta have my gloves. Where's my gloves? All right, here we go. Got the gloves on. Got our top loaders. I'm going to kind of play them down like that. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. First pack. Get it in. Anders Lee, New York Islanders. Rick Nash with the Rangers. And Alexander Burrows. Canucks, Vancouver. Yeah, see, he wants to... I got to keep my hand here so it quits focusing. Come on. Oh, there we go. And everybody says, but Bergie, I can't see it. Noah Hannafin. Autograph. Carolina. Hurricanes. Slider. Sign. Why can't I speak today? Shane. Congratulations. And behind there is Shea Weber. Let me put this over here. Blue parallel. Very nice. Nashville Predators. Let's see if we can get this guy to 256 of 499. I know. There we go. So there's that. So let's grab some of these. I'm glad you guys got that sold out, man. That's awesome. The folks on eBay are going to be happy. You guys are all going to be happy. Ooh, I might have to grab some more penny sleeves, though. There's that one. And we'll just take these out of here like that. Boom. Grab that like that. My box is missing, so I moved my stuff around yesterday. So in the break room here, and So I'm a little discombobulated on the old. And some of these. Okay. So why don't you want to open up? I found one of these that were glued the other day. There, that one's open. I couldn't get it in at all. I was like, why can't it open? It was sealed around both sides. It was just crazy. So congratulations, Noah Hannafin. Very nice. That is a sticker auto, as you can see. So, pack 2, ripping. I don't think I said congratulations to that blue die cut though. Okay, pull that one there, put that one there. Brad Marchand, Nikita Kucherov, Tampa Bay, Claude Giroux, base, Philadelphia. Oh, that's a San Jose Shark. That's an autograph. Adonsky, Jonas. San Jose Sharks gives to, you know it, Shane. And Kevin Fiala, rookie resume card. Very nice. That's a plate in the back. Nashville. That's going out to the crew. 33. Congratulations. So that is 16 out of 399. Kevin Fiala. Nashville Predators. And the Contours. Rookie resume. Autograph. Jones. I really do have to practice on names. Give me a damn, just watch me 10,000 games and, you know. What was that dude's name again? Got a little paper residue coming down here, so. This looks nice though. That's a nice little card. There it is. Boom. See, I've done them so many times. All right, so I got to give myself some. Yeah, you got the Sharks too. Yep. Jonas. Okay. Thanks, Cal. Yeah. Jonas. Okay, so let me just put these back. Put these to the front. So we got Pittsburgh Paul Coffey, old school. Very nice. Base. Patrick Kane, Chicago Blackhawks. I like it. Focus in there, please. Come on, camera. Come on, you can do it. No, you can't, because you suck, camera, today. The camera even knows it's late. It's like, what? I don't want to do that for you. All right, so I'm going to do it manually. There we go. Okay. Adam Henrique. So I'll go a little bit. I was a little bit too close when I did the focus there. New Jersey Devils. And we got John Gibson. Base. Anaheim Ducks. And what do we got here? We got a patch. Oh! Hey! You know who that is? That's Bret Hart. Wow, cool. Calgary Flames. Awesome. That's going out to Cerezo. Sherstathia, that's going out to on eBay. I need to use your people's real names. I have enough hard time trying to pronounce Canadian and Russian and Finland and American. Adam Henrique. That's a nice hit. Oh, shit. 282 out of 499. New Jersey Devils. That's a nice little blue parallel. That's going out to Dan. Congratulations, Dan. Got yourself a nice card there. I'm going to put that down there. Just got them sleeved up. We can put this guy in a container, though. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Rick. Bret the Hitman Hart. Now, I know they got another wrestler in there. CM Punk is in this stuff too, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so that's cool. Last pack, here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, whoa. Whoa! I didn't know they had this in this, but this is going to be cool. This is really cool. I thought I'd seen one before, but this is my first pull on this. So Jordan Stahl, Hurricanes base, Marcus Johannes, Capitals, Jordan Eberle, Oilers, Glenn Hall, base, and jumbo patch. I got a card behind here too. Canadians, that's going out to the Crew 33. And this is very interesting. Look at that color. It's a printing plate. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's metal. It's like, wow, that is one of one. Woo woo! Trade whistle on that one. Cyan printing plate. 1516 upper deck contours. Nice. PK Subban for the Montreal Canadiens. Way to go, Habs. Look at that. That is super sick. This is really thick too. I mean, it's like, it's heavier. So Montreal went to, it was one of the last teams to go too. That's the other thing I gotta start doing is last spot mojos too. The Crew 33. Congratulations, man. That's sweet. I probably just woke up my renter upstairs by giving the train whistle. I just heard her move. 1:30 in the morning. She's like, "What is that Trevor doing down there?" So yeah, that's awesome. Congratulations to everybody. 101 printing plate contours. I did not even know I didn't know they even made them. I was like, I'm surprised. That's awesome. Yeah. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Again, I'm Trevor B with Triple B Collectibles. I'm moving my camera over here again. So, thanks for getting in. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody. Have a blessed day. Happy Mother's Day to you all out there. Again, you can find us at triplebcollectibles.com, and you can find us on Bergie's Box Breaks on eBay and Triple B Collectibles. Peace out.